Google Agentspace Honest Review 2025. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you an honest review of Google Agentspace 2025. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is that Google Agentspace is an AI-powered enterprise platform launched in late 2024. Over here, it integrates Gemini's reasoning, Google search expertise, and enterprise data to provide a centralized search agent for businesses. After that, let's talk about its key features. Over here, Agentspace offers a unified search experience, allowing employees to retrieve and act on both unstructured and structured data efficiently. Then, it also enables businesses to create custom AI agents that automate workflows, generate content, and provide proactive suggestions. Now, moving on to integration. Over here, Agentspace seamlessly connects with third-party tools like Google Drive, Confluence, Jira, SharePoint, and ServiceNow. Then, this ensures that employees can access and query data without disrupting their workflow. After that, let's look at the industry reception. Over here, analysts see Google Agentspace as a strong competitor to Microsoft and Salesforce. Then, by using Google's AI and search capabilities, it aims to enhance enterprise productivity and information discovery. Now, talking about user experience, early adopters have reported that Agentspace is easy to use, even for those without a technical background. Over here, its intuitive interface and pre-built components make it simple to deploy and scale AI solutions within an enterprise. So that's the honest review of Google Agentspace 2025. That's all for this video.